Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 5th chapter arithmetic progressions. 2 exercises I have completed. In the third exercise 2 sums completed. I will continue with the third sum. In an AP given A, D, AN is given. We are asked to find N and SN. So with the given information we have to find N and SN. So A is 5, DN is, AN is 50. So first we will use AN formula. AN is given as 50. The formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 50. So A value is given as 5 plus N minus 1 into D value is given as 3. This is equal to 50. So first we will subtract 5 with this. So N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5. So that is equal to 45. So N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. So N minus 1 is equal to 45 divided by 3. So that is equal to 15. So N minus 1 is equal to 15. So N is equal to 15 plus 1. So N value is 16. So first we are asked to find N. So N is equal to 16. Then next one is Sn. So Sn is equal to, formula is N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here Sn only we are asked to find. So N value here it is given as 16. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into A value is given as 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D is given as 3. So this has to be simplified. So here 16 by 2 8, 5 2s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 15, 15 into 3 is 45. So plus 45. So this is equal to 8 into 45 plus 10 is 55. So 55 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 440. So S16 is 440. So we are asked to find N and Sn. So N we got it as 16. So S16 is equal to 440. Okay. Then second sum. Given A is equal to 7, A13 is 35. We are asked to find D and S13. So D we need to find. So for this A13 is given. So A13 is given as 35. So here A13 is equal to 35. So A13 is, formula for A is AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A plus N is 13, 13 minus 1 into D is equal to 35. So A value is given as 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. So 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. So 35 minus 7 is 28. So 12D is equal to 28. 12D is equal to 28. So D is equal to 28 by 12. So this is equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. So D is equal to 7 by 3. So now S13 we have to find. So S13 is equal to N by 2 into 2A. A is 7. 2A plus N minus 1. 13 minus 1 into D is 7 by 3. So this is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 7s are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So this one is 13 by 2 into 14 plus 7 4s are 28. So 14 plus 28 is 13 by 2 into 8 plus 4 12. 42 is equal into 42 is equal to 13 into. So this can be cancelled. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 13 into 21. So 21 into 13 is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 21. So 273. So S13 is 273. Next sum is A12 is 37, D is 3, find A and S12. So here with this A12 is equal to 37, we can find A. So this is A plus 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 37. So D value is given as 3. So A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37. So here A plus 33 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33. So that is equal to 4. So A value is 4. Then S12. So S12, we know Sn formula, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S12 we are asked to find. So 12 by 2 into 2 into A we got it as 4 plus 12 minus 1 into D is given as 3. So this is equal to 6 into 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 3. So this is equal to 6 into 8 plus 33. So 33 plus 8 is 42. So 6 into 41. Sorry. 8 plus 33 is 41. So 6 into 41. So 41 into 6 is 246. So this is sum to 12 terms in the given sequence. For the given information, S12 is equal to 246. Then fourth sum, A3 is given, S10 is given. We have to find D and A10. So A3 is equal to 15. So here we don't have A and D. Both we don't know. We have to find that first. So for that only this S3 and S10 value is given. So A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 15. Okay, A plus 2D is equal to 15 it is given. Then S10. So S10 is equal to 125. That is n by 2 into 2A. A we don't know. Plus n is 10. N minus 1. D also we don't know. So two variables we don't know. So that has to be simplified only. So 10 simplified using that simultaneous equation. Like that we can find. So 10 by 2 is 5. 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. So 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. So first we got A plus 2D is equal to 15. Now 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. So if we solve these two equations, we can find the value for A and D. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, we can cancel A. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. Then second equation is 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. So if we subtract this, we can cancel this A. 2A plus 2A minus 2A will get cancelled. Minus 5D is equal to 5. So here bigger number sign minus. So minus 5D is equal to 5. So D is equal to minus 5 by 5. So we'll get D is equal to minus 1. So that is D. Okay. Find D. So we are asked to find D. Then A10 also we are asked to find. So we need A. So for finding that A, we will take this first equation. A plus 2D is equal to 15. So D we got it as minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So A is equal to 15 plus 2, 17. So A value is 17. Now A10 we need to find. So A10 is equal to A plus 9D. So A is 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So A10 is 8. So we are asked to find A10. A10 value is 8. Okay. Fifth sum is given D is equal to 5. S9 is 75. Find A and A9. Since S9 is given, we will use Sn formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2 into a we don't know. So 2a plus n is 9 minus 1 into d value is given as 5. Okay, so this is 9 by 2 into 2a. S9 value is given as 75. 2a plus 8 into 5. So 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 5s are 40. So in this we can take 2 common. From both the terms we can take 2 common out. So we'll get a plus 20 here. So here this 2 will get cancelled. So this side we are having 75. Okay. So here 75 is equal to 9a plus 9 2s are 18. So 180. So 9a plus 180 is equal to 75. So 9a is equal to 75 minus 180. So 180 minus 75. So we will get 105. Okay. So 9a is equal to minus 105 by 9. 9a is equal to minus 105. So a is equal to minus 105 by 9. When we simplify this, we get in 3 table minus 35 by 3. So that is the first term. A is equal to minus 35 by 3. So first we are asked to find a. So we found it as minus 35 by 3. Now we will find a9. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a9 is equal to, a value is minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into d value. In the question it is given as 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 40. So when we simplify, minus 35 plus 40 into 3 is 120. That is, we need to take LCM. Okay. So 120 minus 35. So it will be 85. So 85 by 3. So this is A9. So A9 we are asked to find. So that is 85 by 3. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.